It doesn't even fit on camera. Oh my. And then I thought, no. I hope you're ready for this. Amazing news.
Between concrete walls, there's a place for us. I wanna go, do you wanna follow?
What's up, guys? Bienvenue to another video. Since many of you guys really enjoyed that clip in my last video where I unboxed, you know, a new product and shared with you my first reactions, today we're also going to be doing an unboxing video of Le Jardin Infini, that is the infinite garden, or the garden that never dies. And as the name suggests, these are, and I hope you're ready for this, real roses that will last an entire year. Some people say that even more, but the company itself guarantees one whole year. So just by that claim, I am already super intrigued, but also because Le Jardin Infini flower arrangements are right now the hottest, trendiest thing, especially on Instagram. They're just everywhere you look. Can't wait anymore. Let's unbox this. I'm kind of concerned right now because these flower arrangements, they have traveled such a long distance, and in my mind at least, I'm sure they're pretty fragile things, so oh yeah. Even though e-commerce and shipping and all those things have come a very, very long way, you always wonder if they're going to be well packed when sent to you to avoid any problems while your package is in transit, right? So let's start with the small one. You can see here the logo from Le Jardin Infini, and then there's instructions. Again, they're super responsible of the way they're shipping your flower arrangement. And then here you get the what's inside, kind of the options that are available. And by the way, I live so far away, I can't believe how fast this entire package arrived. How well this whole thing has been packaged so far just screams at me, we know what we're doing. You know what I mean? Just bravo for that. And oh my god, look at how cute. Look at this. It's like, oh. Can we just take a moment to admire the beautiful box? Look at how gorgeous this little box is, and not so little, to be honest. I thought it was going to be a lot smaller. This is a very good sized arrangement. Clearly I love gold and white, as you guys can appreciate by the rest of this room. It has my name written all over it. I actually picked this arrangements myself, and I'm gonna walk you through how you can pick yours if you're interested. Le Jardin Infini logo is here on the box, and the gold bow right here, I mean, this is perfection. Madly in love. It's like crème de la crème design, if you ask me, and it's more beautiful in person than in pictures, and I thought that was going to be impossible, you know, especially on Instagram. It's just everything looks prettier on Instagram. Are we ready for the big reveal? On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and wait, I definitely want to do something with this bow. Oh my god. I'm almost moved to tears, guys. This is exquisite. It's just perfection. So first of all, you have this kind of plastic thing that I guess you're supposed to remove. That's also so thoughtful because these protects the petals of the roses. I cannot even begin to describe. I have all nice warm fuzzy feelings in my heart right now just by looking at this. It just has that very classy, chic elegance, and that it will bring that vibe into any room I put this in, and they're gonna last a full year. You can even let it sit right here and you get a little bit more height, and you can also see right there that it says Le Jardin Infini, and how gorgeous. Oh my god. I don't know if it happens to you guys as well, but sometimes looking at something so aesthetically pleasing, it just just lifts my spirit. I don't know why. So this is the smallest size, and I had my vanity in mind when I was customizing my own rose arrangement. And then I have the medium-sized one, which is in the box. It is the one I'm going to share with you in just one moment. And then you have the large ones. So there's really a lot. There's a whole world of variety to choose from. There's different colors in the boxes. There's round boxes, there's square boxes, and then there's different colors and different treatments for the flowers. So some look like metal gold. You have the pink roses, the white roses, the red roses, which are more like the classic, more natural looking roses. But there's really a lot of room to unleash your creativity, and if you like home decor, I'm very sure you will definitely like that section of the customize your own. But if you are the type of person who really needs to be inspired, you are more of the type of person that looks at something and just knows that that is for you, that is for your room or for your living area, or you know, whatever, you can just go ahead and scroll down jardinfini.com homepage, and you're going to see all the different collections, very exquisite pictures of different combinations of flower colors and different boxes and sizes. So you have like the large square collection, then you have a medium one, the small one, then you have like different treatments and colors for the roses, and then there's the large round collection. There's a heart-shaped collection that I was so like hesitant to get, and then I thought, no, I'm gonna get my husband to buy it for me. And you know, those heart-shaped ones are just beautiful for an anniversary or for Valentine's Day. Oh, and there's also kind of an acrylics collection, which is instead of a white or black box, cardboard box, you're getting the arrangement inside a translucent acrylic box. So how amazing and exquisite is that? And there's also some FAQs on the landing page that I wanted to share with you guys, because I feel that those are you know, normal doubts that anyone may have. So for instance, what are preserved roses? And it says here that these are real roses that last up to a year. Like I said before, amazing, right? I'm gonna keep this in my vanity right there at the back, so you guys are going to be able to see these for an entire year, and I may even do a 1-year update. And it says they are picked at their perfect bloom and dipped into a non-toxic formula to preserve their natural beauty all year long. So now that I know this is not toxic, I really wanted to touch the petals. Oh my god, they're so velvety. These are real roses, guys. All the details in the petals, and they just look so fresh. So these are definitely not cheap at all. This is a luxury, very trendy, hot item right now. But when you think about it, it's like roses actually last like what? 2 weeks. Actually a lot more respectful towards nature to put them through these very special treatment to preserve them and have them last as much as possible. And now we're going to unbox number 2. I just can't wait for you guys to vote in the comments down below or in a poll, whatever I end up doing, which of these 2 arrangements you personally like best. So like I said, this small one over there is definitely not that small at all, so I can't wait to see the medium one. It must be massive. So well protected, you guys. Oh my god. First of all, it is exquisite. It has a very premium vibe because of the round box and the black color with the gold logo right there. That combination is definitely very, very premium. I feel this would be an excellent gift for, you know, those type of people that have it all and you really don't know what to give to them. And even Mother's Day. I mean, my mom has very exquisite taste. I know she would be very impressed by the presentation and the packaging. Talking about special events and birthdays and Mother's Days, there's another cool feature that I did not mention before when I was talking about how good their site is, and that is that you can actually schedule in advance any deliveries you want on very specific dates. I think of myself as quite an organized person, but I have so much on my mind, so I thought that would be a very cool feature to kind of maybe schedule a few special dates that I want to make sure I don't forget to send a very special gift to someone. Definitely very cool for like the holidays, or if you're in charge of PR in an organization or something like that. All right, let's open this because I am dying to see how the color combo worked out. Ooh, how gorgeous is this? I mean, I feel so lucky. They will add a lot to my home and to my videos as well, because they're frankly absolutely stunning. Do you guys know that old saying that says you should always make time to stop and smell the roses? Well, and again, you can put this just sitting on its own lid so that one, you don't lose it in case you have to transport it somewhere. It kind of adds some inches of height. Oh my god, guys, this video is getting better and better. I have amazing news for all of us. I was just emailing, you know, a thank you note to Jardin Infini. You know, they just agreed to send them over to me, submitting these arrangements for editorial consideration here on my channel. Just mostly because I requested them to. I just fell in love with them on Instagram, and they just replied that since I love these so much, they would be more than happy to sponsor the next couple of Treatment Tuesdays, which is a series that most of you guys enjoy so much, and that is such a huge help for a small YouTuber like myself. For those of you guys who are new around here, Treatment Tuesdays is actually quite a popular series here on my small channel, where we test out a new hair care product for the very first time on camera, and we basically decide together if it works or not. And that is a very, very expensive series for me to, you know, basically pay every single item out of my pocket. I want to be free to actually say if a product is good or not, and I feel like this is the perfect sponsorship. I feel the luckiest person alive right this moment. Thank you so much to Jardin Infini, and thank you so much to all of you guys. I hope you are very happy that someone is backing me up and helping me get new products for Treatment Tuesdays. I will talk to you all again on Tuesday. Ciao.
Do you wanna follow?